Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Always do your best, but don't overdo. Always do your best, but don't overdo. When you overdo, you deplete your body and you go against yourself, and it will take longer to accomplish your goal. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 53, NASDAQ off 26, S&P's down 6.5, gold contract up $10.80, trading at $1,274 an ounce. Silver up 15 cents at $17.76 an ounce. Platinum up 23 bucks at $9.64 an ounce. Copper up 4.5 pennies at $2.13 a pound. Light sweet crude down 68 cents, $49.84 a barrel. Notes flat at 130.06. Bonds up 11, 164.21. Bonds got back inside their higher range. King dollar down 42 ticks, trading at 98.710. The euro is at 108, and the yen is at 104.21. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. And the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so we get down 70 cents. You're at $214.19. You were coming into 101 million shares as well as 89 million. So we did 89 million shares on Friday. We did 101 million shares on the 13th. You come down 62 million. What does that set up? This SPY still wants higher price, folks. I expect we're going to go to 215.74, and that is the high of the downdraft of October 11th. Dow Industrials, exact same benchmark, meaning the 11th of October. You're down 53 bucks. You come back with lighter volume. When we say lighter volume on the NYSE, this is what you have. We did 838 million. Oh, this is interesting. Yeah, it's lighter. 838 million going into 882 million, and 878 million. That's the shakeout. So, bottom line, Dow Industrials. I expect the Dow also will get up into, we're at 18,169. The Dow is going to climb into this 18,312. Now, NDX 100 as well as the NASDAQ Composite, I expect they're going to go blow through new highs. We came down 18 bucks today in the NDX. You're at 48.91. The high, 49.11 was the high. And what I suspect this is all about is going to be about Amazon and Google. Now, Apple is coming out with numbers at 4:30. So bottom line, we'll see where Apple shakes and bakes. Apple does look like it can go to 128, and we're at 118 right now. That's kind of how this is shaken out. So we're going to know soon enough. That's the bottom line. And if Apple does get that 10 bucks into it, bottom line, that will push the NDX up there. The Google and Amazon come out at 4 o'clock and 4:01 on Thursday. And what I expect you're going to see is an exhaustion gap up there. And I expect they're going to ring the bell. And why is that? Because the NASDAQ, because the NYSE can't handle price. The S&Ps can't handle price. The Russell 2000 can't handle price. Gold contract. We take a look at the gold contract. This is what we have inside gold. Now, this gets a little tricky right here. So, gold is up 1080 today. You're back inside the 1269, which says, okay, we can get up to 1279, somewhere in there. We only did 131,000 contracts. So that's not strong. That's not a good deal. And I'm gonna switch gears on you and just go over to the dollar index and show you something. The reason I think gold can catch a little bid for tomorrow, and that's it, is because the dollar index got to a price point today of 99, closed at 98,720. Volume wasn't bad, and this can pull back to 98,150. So if it pulled back to 98,150, that'd give gold slightly a little breathing room. But the way that the equities traded today, that's all I expect, because the downdraft doesn't look to me like it's over in gold. And let's go over to the silver market. We take a look at silver. What we have with silver Silver is at 1770. Yes, well, silver has to get back in 1774. That's the other side. Let me see what this is. Yeah, see, silver's giving us more information, actually. You know, yesterday you did volume of 62,000 contracts, and it didn't hold price. Today you tested that area with 48,000 contracts, and it can't get it back inside 1774. So that's still saying, guess what? That correction inside the metals is not over. Bonds. We go to the bond market. We take a look at bonds. The 10-year note, what we have with the note out here. There she is. The 10-year note, bottom line, rejected lower price today, had lighter volume, all of the above. That baby wants higher price, as does the 30-year. The 30-year has had the hardest time holding price. It did reject the 164.13 once again today, and it looks to me that that also wants higher price. After the close here, Panera Bread closed at 194, and this is trading at 206 right now. Akamai, AKM, where am I? AKAM. Akamai just come out with numbers. Akamai closed at $59.07. That is trading at 62 right now. And Akamai, let's pull this up because Akamai. Okay, so Akamai is going to get over the consolidation that it had, and it's going right into the downdraft from October of 2015. It's going to be hard to basically get above that. We went from $76 to $60 with monster volume the week of October 20th, and that's what it's coming into. So Akamai is going to need some real juice to get up and over that level. Chipotle, we take a look at CMG. Thanks, Dave. I appreciate it, man. Man, Dave White is keeping me up to date on all these coming out quick, fast, and furious. So Chipotle closed at 405. That's trading at 417 right now. That's catching a bid. And Chipotle, no doubt, needs it. 440 is the number. Let's take a look at this. So this has been basing out. 440, 417. Yeah, this has been basing out. Bottom line is that this has been basing out since January of 2016. Pretty amazing. Time just flies, folks. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back with our man, Mr. Andy Heck. And, of course, don't forget, every Tuesday, Thursday, right here at TFNN. Andy's got a great show, 5 to 6 Eastern Standard Time. And remember, folks, all the programming you get right on your cell phone, TFNN.com. Hit Tiger TV. We're going to be right back, folks.